Morning. How we doing? Kia ora everybody. Friday. Sorry for the late start. Man was busy doing a few things. How we doing, whānau? Good to see everyone. Why are we choppy? Jeez, off the bat my net's playing up. How we doing, guys? How we doing? Alright, let's get this damn carving in so we can chip away today. Yeah, we're good. Yo, morning, brother Luke. Morning, everybody. Sub-content expector. I see you as well. What happened to our music? Right, we got our... Fuck, we are choppy as. What the fuck is going on? Yo, Axel Bar. Kia ora, my bro. We're doing good today, my bro. I was supposed to have haka practice today, but they got canned because, I mean, at the end of the day, having haka practice on weekdays, especially while people are still at work, not ideal. Not ideal at all. Fuck, why are we so choppy, bro? Okay, are we good now? This net be knitting today. Alrighty. Are we good now? Thank you very much, Axelbar, for the 2 months as well, my bro. It's a tier 1. Hope you are doing well to you beautiful people. Also to the brother Luke, hope you're doing well, you handsome man as well. Yeah, I get that. I should probably check if my mic's working. Oh, it's working, okay. What's the main job round through the main job? I think a lot of people just go into to work in like all the restaurants here or the bars. A lot of people just a lot of people traveling just do that, or they'll do backpackers will do like 1 week of kiwi fruits. But yeah, majority of the time you see a lot of them just go to the spots in the city, just where the restaurants are, and just work for a bit till they move on. Majority of the time. This is me having feelings because I can't play Avatar right now. I love the stream when it becomes a slideshow. Yeah, there's a bit of everything here. What's up, brother Dome? How you doing, brother? How you doing? Oh, that's not even in properly. Are we still choppy? Fuck, we are, eh? Avatar 3 is awesome in IMAX. Very true. Very true. Yeah, I'm still sad I can't play Avatar Frontier, bro. Like, I've tried to fix all the problems that there are, or like all the remedies that they have, but still, the game keeps crashing still. What's everyone been up to though? What's everyone been jamming? I'm going to trade some games into EB games today, hopefully. I just saw a post that they could potentially be shutting down. So try and get my ins now and bro, why would you have ads on game music? Try and get my ins now before they trade or before they shut down. Oh, I can't really afford to do that, man. Stashing stuff. Because I just got given a Switch too, so I may as well. And my kids don't even get into gaming, so it's gonna go trade it in. Which I am very grateful they don't like gaming, I will not lie. Found your channel again? Well, welcome back, kind sir. How are you? Seriously, keeping gold? I'll be honest, bro. I made a point where I'm not really worried about it. So we're gonna come back, but we should be okay now. I remember back then when you were with the Prime Minister. Yeah, bloody long time ago. Now the Prime Minister of the country is an absolute fuckwit. Or the new one anyway. Instagrammer, just wanted to say you're an awesome and really good. Glad you found a good day. Cheer, my brother. Also, guys, if you are from Aotearoa, or if you're on my Instagram at all, I'm running a competition on there on behalf of Adidas Aotearoa as well. If you want to get amongst it, more so for rugby fans, I'd say. Fuck it, guys. What's up, Blendish? I found the reel last night. Oh, true. Yeah, it's still crazy to believe that that damn reel was still going around. Straight up. Do you have to be from NZ to enter? From what I got told, I don't believe so. I don't believe so. Hey, Chip. Yeah, I remember you, bro. Well, Steve's son, eh? You are the man, my bro. You are the man. But it's been mean seeing your old man branch out too. That's what I want to do as well. I first saw it ages ago, but didn't have. Oh yeah, naked baker. Choo. Yeah, hopefully once we get our whare, then I'll start going into stone. I don't want to be that guy like those other graduates and go back to the school. I'd rather just learn on my own. Kind of transition the skills from Whakairo into it instead of taking someone's spot at the Pounamu school that could really benefit from it. What's everyone been up to today? Geez, a lot of messages getting deleted by the mod on the green side. I was watching Peanut yesterday too. Oh, he's still crack up, eh? But yeah, I'll definitely get into stone carving eventually sometime this year as well, everyone. But I think for now I'll just, you know, stick with where I'm at. Fucking, we're still choppy, eh? Is it still choppy? I'm just waiting to see if it is. Yeah, just slightly, eh? I don't know why. Maybe I need to restart the modem. But I think I'll do that maybe... Should I do it now or tomorrow or after stream? I don't know. Is there a different name for... not that I know of. I've just always known it as, you know, Whakairo kohatu, carving stone. Haven't been able to do much today with the cold, but I did take the bike for a run to my grandparents to see how they are. Ooish, what kind of bike you got, my bro? Good to see you, brother. Following you since right before COVID. Always enjoy your content. Hey, thank you very much, brother Jeff. Yeah, bro, it's been really busy trying to focus on getting these YouTube videos ready. As some of you may not know, I'm going to be trying to focus more on YouTube this year too. And we've got some ideas. We've got some ideas for around here. Jerry, brother master. And I just need to figure out, you know, what spots I want to film. So it's more so showcasing my culture here in Rotorua now, instead of, you know, me doing it as I have been for the last 5 years. You're going to take used to see it. Take used to see it. Now there's 3 spots that I've chosen. It's just a matter of getting the cameraman. I might ask my wife to be my cameraman. But at the same time, my brother's pretty good with doing camera work as well. Just a cheap little 12cc Keywave. Hoping that this year I can get something with a bit more power. Nice, my bro. Greetings, everyone. Hope you're all doing well today. What's up, Yahweh? Oh, we're doing good today, man. What did I get up to yesterday? So I had Kapaka practice all day yesterday. And they gave us the option to finish early because no one turned up. But I stayed right till the end. Got the haka done. We only have one more item to finish now. And because there was minimal turnout, they cancelled the practice today. Hence the reason why I'm live. Also, what else did I do? Oh yeah, we jammed the new season of League last night too. We only played Area Mayhem, but it was fun. We're gonna try and find more champions to play other than
the flawless material. We used to define high end by what
other than the odd few. I don't really play much champions in League.
but it was silent.
Kapaka sessions in like provinces, regions. Yeah, so this year we have regionals. So there's heaps of regions that are gonna have their regional competitions this year. We're just one of the many. And then next year, to the 3 or the 4 teams that qualify within those regions, that's when the nationals comes around. So everyone right now this year will be competing to hopefully get a spot for nationals, which will be in Waikato or in Hamilton. From NZ, my bro. It's almost midnight for me, so I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, all good, my bro. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep, my bro, and I will see you on the next one, eh? Che. I remember people donating during COVID and you wanted to refund. Yeah, bro. What's up, Chai? Those were some days back then, eh? Very busy days as well. Some very, very busy days too. Oh, just checking this out. Would be cool if you sat down doing videos talking about things, your culture and history behind some of the carvings. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that, my bro. So the idea, I don't mind telling you what I'm going to do. So these YouTube videos that I'm going to do with the 3 spots that I've chosen, I'm going to show you the working or slash cultural side. So there's 3 places that I've chosen: Mitai Maori Village, Te Puia, which is where I used to work as well, and Te Pātū is where another place I used to work. So I want to show you the perspective of doing kapa haka as a full-time job, and I did that for about 9 years. So that's what I want to show you. So I don't know if I should do it after kapa haka is done or during, because I'm trying to plan out how we're going to do it. Do you have, my bro, any advice for new time father? Oh, you having a pepe, my bro? Not me thinking you already have some. My grandmother is the only one to stay here, guys, and she didn't. Part 2 looks like a cool. Yeah, bro, the part 2's mean. It's just got a mean price. I've seen it in. Fuck! So I'm putting money aside for the part 2 as well, because I'm going to have to take myself and whoever's going to be on the camera. I mean, I could ask the bro, but at the same time, you know, I don't want to deny money from my nieces and nephews that work there. So I'd rather, you know, pay. Yo, what's up, Young West? When you went viral and crazy, yeah, bro, it went nuts, eh? Yo, what's up, Bungalow? Yeah, I think it's like 120 pounds, which is like yeah, bro, that sounds about right. Crazy, eh? But at the same time, it's they've stepped up their game with the experience itself as well, from what I've seen. The reason why I want to go to Te Pātū as well, guys, because the first carvings I ever did on Twitch are there. Mitai's a bit cheaper. Yeah, I could probably get a deal from, because I know all of them, eh? I could probably get a deal, but I'm not going to. Just the experience, yeah, bro. So kind of like I want to show you the experience firsthand through these videos that I'm gonna do. I'll probably do Te Puia last, I'll be honest, I think, because you know I've been to Te Puia all the time, so kind of know what's gonna be there. Oh shoot! Oh okay. I would say my bro. Okay, let me put the camera up, eh? So I think fuck, what is going on, internet? So for me personally, with first time fathers, best thing to do now is definitely stock up on nappies and wipes. Those things as well. Flannels or little cloths for when you're gonna give Bubba a bath. It's like the little things that are quite essential, eh? And also in saying that too, clothes as well. You don't have to like buy in bulk straight away. I mean, maybe a couple things every week here and there, or one thing. And then eventually, as the time rolls on, try to do more for your wahine, especially when she gets bigger in those last couple months, because mobility doesn't really become a thing anymore for your partner as baby gets ready to be born. So just try and help out as much as you can. This is what I tried to do. I was pretty shit on some days though, I will admit that. And like I always say, for the first time fathers out there, it just comes down to us taking the night shift. Yeah, just take that night shift, brother, and change your body clock up for as you get closer towards baby too. Because I feel like with our wahine, the only thing they need to be doing is feeding at night, and that's it. So feed the baby, then we change the baby, burp the baby, put the baby back to bed, and then go back to sleep. Or with me, you don't have to do what I did. Not at all. I stayed up every night for like the first week. That's just me. That's just what I like to do. And just make sure baby's okay, wifey's okay. Because that's what I did. Like even with baby now, even though she's like 9 months. For that first week, I just stayed up through the night and then had a sleep during the day for all of a few seconds. And then get ready to stream. Like got a couple hours in before stream, and then made my way outside, my bro. But yeah, I think it's really essential for us to make sure they get the most rest they can, because one of the things I was always afraid of was baby blues for my wife. It's when they go into like a state of depression, after birth, postpartum. And that really scared me a lot of the time, just in my mind. But I knew like my wife was strong enough to come through. But you just never know. Genuinely, you never know, and just do what you can, my bro. Yeah, it is very common, my bro. So yeah, definitely, communication is key too. I'm not good at communicating all the time, I won't lie. But it's definitely essential in order for you both to kind of raise baby. Yeah. Yeah, hope that helps, my bro. And to any of the first time fathers that may be chilling in the Twitch chat or the YouTube chat as well. Chat to the bro on the Kick channel too. Alrighty. Thanks, bro. It's gonna be difficult but enjoyable. Yeah, bro, as it is, eh? No one ever said it was gonna be easy raising a human. Yeah, you'll be all good, my bro. Oh man. So loose. So loose, bro. Gotta take a lot off that body too. Look at that. But I will try and drop everything to the line for today and then we'll carry on. Stop caring for, I've heard, yeah, I've seen that as well, Chai. Seen it before. It's definitely, it was always one of my biggest fears, definitely, is, you know, first time dad, because, you know, at the same time, you know, have nothing but unwavering love for my wife. But she is a very strong woman as well. Much stronger than I. We're going to look at also, it's going to be a pretty boring chat, but we're going to do a maintenance stream next week. Maintenance stream next week. Sharpen. That's gonna be the plan next week, okay? We're looking at Wednesday. If nothing comes up. Oh, actually, we'll wait till school's back up, okay? School's back up soon, so maybe we'll wait till then. Because I feel like it's gonna be bit of a lag. You're still choppy, eh? Fuck. Why are you chopping, bro? Yo! As a Dunceman, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro, if I did say that right. Please correct me if I did say it wrong. Thank you very much, brother. What's up, Foggy and Jacob? Appreciate you, brother. How you doing, my bro? How you doing? Down by the river. How are you, my friend? I have to take off, brother, 3 AM. Oh, brother, go to bed, my bro. Don't stay up at silly o'clock for me. Even I wouldn't stay up that late for myself. We need a pencil. Nah, that's a lie. If I'm really feeling a game or I'm in like a grind, then I probably would. That's a complete lie. Let me go and get a pencil inside, okay? Thank you very much. Hey, chill, my bro. Thank you for 57 months, my bro. How are you? I'll stay. How we doing, my bro? Tazoo! Thank you for the 3 months, my brother. Thank you, my brother. How you doing today, my bro? You going for another soak today? Bro, that pool looks on, bro. I am jealous. Woke up for some buzzy messages. Oh, nice! Love to see it. See, bro? Just shoot your shot. W. That's on, my bro. That's on. That's pretty hot up the... Yeah, bro. I bet it will be. Nah, that's mean, bro. That's mean news. You'll never know till you try. Yo, wheelchair. Kia ora, bro. Thank you for the tier 3 for the 54 months. Heka. Thank you very much, Ehua. Hope you're doing well. Are you the wholesome guy? Hey, brother, how you doing? What's the time for you? It is currently 10:41. So yeah, bit of a late start for me, my bro.
The girls was gonna say hello.
Oh, hey, I'll come.
Say she looks beautiful. Yeah. Oh, hang on.
Oh my gosh. Hello, you. Where you? Sorry guys, just got a message from my queens. They're off to the nail salon. I was like, oh, waste of money. Happy New Year. Hey, Happy New Year's too, my bro. Where are we? Damn, it's almost midnight in Germany. Oi! My wife has a bit of heritage in Germany. So she's part German as well, through her grandmother's side. But they don't know it too well. Von Krop, something like that. That's the name. Thank you very much, guys, for the hype train as well. Germany is low-key boy. Oh, really? I mean, you live there, so of course you're gonna think it's boring. One place I'd like to go to, man, the mountains of Switzerland, bro. Woo! Oh, man. Most countries are boring if you live there, though. Yeah, like... Oh, yeah, it's pretty boring here, but it's chill, so I don't mind. I think England is boring. I still wouldn't be able to get used to those cobblestone random block roads and yellow number plates. That's probably the things I would take time to adjust to. And I'd think like every taxi, you know those black taxis you've got, is there one taxi that yeah, people know about. Because they all look the same. Wink wink. Yo, Spankin' Rankin, what's up, my brother? Thank you for the 68 montherinos, my bro. Thank you, my brother. Rox, you could go anywhere in the Alps. France would be cheaper. Wait, really? Then Switzerland, True, I didn't know that. Cheer, my brother, almost 69. Not too many cobblestone roads here. It's more the public. Oh, okay, good timing on the sub, not gonna lie. Cheer, my brother. Was the hype train still going? I'm still amazed at how an AI VTuber model is, has the record for the most subs on Twitch at the moment, and the record for the biggest hype train. Fuck, that's crazy. AI. Don't worry, guys, to those that are waiting for their one VTuber stream. I'm... Oh, that's... I've got an idea. I don't want it to be a Weibo model. I just want it to be a mango. A mango with Maximus's helmet on. That's probably what I'm going to go with. How old are you if you... How old are you if you want to say... Huh? I think I missed it there. I'm a great person you are, so I wanted to check you right away in your live here. It's night. Yeah, I heard it's like almost 12 in Germany from someone else. Welcome through to the YouTube channel, my bro. But in all honesty, my man, do not stay up late for me, my bro. I would rather you have a good sleep, okay? Than watch me. Couple people from Germany today, eh? Cheer the Germany. Yeah, make sure you go to the Instagram and enter the competition as well, guys. You never know. I'm just gonna make the kids like scroll down the chat and stop it and see who they land on. Even all my in-laws are getting amongst today because they're big rugby fans. If I don't stay up till 5 AM watching, how can I get one? Oh, that's crazy. Even I wouldn't stay up for those channel points. What's up, Yuffie? So I'm running a competition on my Instagram with Adidas, Aotearoa and the All Blacks. So they released a collaboration with Marvel and Real Madrid. So if you want to check the video out, just go to my Instagram and you'll see it. So inside you get a shirt, a hoodie, a comic book, and also some stickers as well. Hold up, I forgot to grab the ticket. Yeah, does anyone else that's on a health journey do excessive flexing when they see themselves in the window? In the comfort of their own space? I do. So this is one we've done, but essentially we're doing another. So this is called a heitiki. So I told you holding on to this and not letting it go straight away was a smart idea. So this is what we're up to here. This is a heitiki. And essentially we're doing another one. Okay, so where the hei tiki came from, the inspiration for it actually came from that of a newborn. Now you can see within the body here, the baby scrunch, if you will, with the head to the side. From what I was told by Master Carver Clive Fugel, that's where the inspiration for the tiki's form came from. And you may see that the body is different on two sides. That was just me being that guy and experimenting. So two different forms of tiki. You can see the square one there and the round one, so the more round side. So yeah, that was just me being a little bit adventurous as well, just having a go, see what it looks like. And this is essentially what we came up with. So the design is called Taratara Akai. On the top here with my fingers, this is more the curvilinear traditional way of doing it. You see that ridge in the middle with the notches on either side as well. This design is done a lot in the east coast or with tribes along the sea here. On the bottom, you'll see on the more square side, it's a bit more contemporary or more modern. This isn't traditionally how they would do them. And then added the little markings that I like to do, just to say it was me. Instead of writing my name over it, I just do this. So even on the face here, you can see that we've dug it out too. We dug out the middle ridge, like as opposed to the one here. So that's more of a something else that I was trying to, just being experimental with it, seeing what it looks like. That's essentially what this tiki was, because I hadn't done one since I was a student. So last one I did was back in 2015, or between the years of 2015 and 2018. That was the last time I actually did one. So I decided, yeah, let's do another one and see if I can still do it. Kind of just, yeah, going through all the thought processes and teachings from back in the day. Do you like French people? Oh, I don't really think about French people that much, so yeah. What's your name? Barry Benson. Not seeing how it's made, I would imagine you would need to grind down the wood with some needle. No, it's all done by chisel. Yeah. All done by chisel, my friend. So that's pretty much how we do a majority of the time. Do you like French people? Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't really think about what kind of people I like. I'm too busy thinking about what I want for dinner half the time. That's usually an everyday thought for me. It's like, fuck, the hard part is thinking what to have for dinner. But every day, that's the one thought thing I always struggle with, because I never know what to have. That's why I jumped on the calorie deficit or diet, so I know what I'm having. So I just know, okay, I've got to have chicken. Got to have chicken and mixed veggies. Twice a day. And in between, you know, have my snacks here and there. So it's done me justice so far. It's done me justice so far, guys. Oh, that was like at TwitchCon. Geez, you must be deep in thought. Not really, I'm just trying to figure out what to have for dinner. And the person that asked was like, oh. It's like, oh, you asked. I'm not out here thinking about the universe, man. I'm thinking about what the friggin' stuff down my mouth for dinner. So it was hard eating in America because everything was like fast food. Like it was all at arm's reach, everything. But I didn't want to eat it too much. So I had to try and figure out, you know, where the healthy places were with all that. I wanted to try Chipotle though, but never got the chance to. Because it's essentially just a chicken place, right? And they close on Sundays because they go to church. Last night my friend brought ingredients and we made homemade burgers. Compared the regular ones, never. Wait, you never had a homemade burger? Brother. I love homemade burgers, bro. Okay, here's mine. Bun, okay. Next, caramelized onion. Next, the patty. Next, the cheese. After that, fat ass beetroot. Next, an egg. Oh, hold on, before the egg we put some lettuce on, and then the egg, and then the next bun. Just bang. Not like that fake plastic bullshit cheese, you know, grated cheese. I'd rather that. I don't like that fake shit. The only good thing that plastic cheese is used for when your baby is having uncontrollable cries, just place one on their head and they'll be like, what the fuck, and that'll make them stop crying. I did it once. Oh yeah, sauces are mayo and tomato sauce. Works every time. Did you say beetroot? Yeah, bro. Beetroot slaps on a burger. Oh well, next time you're here, my bro, I'll take you to have a burger with a beetroot in it. My mum puts beetroot and pineapple. She's wild. I would try that. I am open to trying that. I once used to eat cheese toasties with avocado. Sometimes I'll have peanut butter instead. So I am open to combos. You know, forbidden mixes. Forgot to say earlier, the Alps covers like France, Italy, Switzerland, and Austria. But France is cheapest for Alps. Oh yeah, that's Aussie as Brooks. Don't you dare call me an Aussie again. You goddamn bastard. Yo, Solar Sailor, thank you for the 5 bomb, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Happy New Year's, my brother. Happy New Year's. We are about 9 days into the new year and I've not been sunburned yet. I feel freaking amazing. Normally in the summer, my bro, I go a little bit blurple. But your boy's been good so far. Yes, you heard me. Blurple. And certain salads, true. Yeah, bro, it's bloody cut that beetroot in half and slap it in the burger, my bro. Am I hearing Baldur's Gate 3? Yes, you are. You are hearing BG3. I love BG3. Why? Because Karlek. I legit only bought their game to, yes, do with Karlek. So yes, if I was ever in, if I was ever in the D&D world, I'd probably have a tiefling missus. Although, I did the bear too. I did multiple run-throughs to see the different avenues for experimental purposes, okay? But I think the bear was the most outrageous one for me. It's all about options, eh, guys? But did you? Yeah, I did. Went full send. I made I made Astarion go into that shadowy spot that Mufasa told you not to go into. Also, I did kick the squirrel as well. I booted that little bastard to the shadow realm. Did anyone else do that? I lost followers for that. It was worth it. It was so worth it. I got a message on Instagram. Hi, I unfollowed your Twitch channel because you kicked that squirrel in BG3. I just said I'll do it again. And then I just then messaged them from then on. Lazar's a freaking, she knows it. That's why I love her for that too. She's a cool character though. Even the voice actor, she's like on, bro. Give him league tips and he'll show you well tips. yeah, that was kicking that squirrel in BG3 was worth it. Losing followers for. Because I told that person I'll do it again. Oh, come on. Come on, voice. That's not latching. Why are you not latching? Come on now. Hold on, guys. I'm having a bit of technical difficulties right now. Yeah, I was playing some League with Kasufa last night, my bro. That was fun. Jamming League with some people from the chat. Definitely gonna do it more as I learn. I do want to learn Vayne. That Draven game was fun last night too. Who's your main in League? It's Jax. Why do I like Jax? Just because I like smashing people in the head with a bloody light post. That's the only reason. And he looks cool. But I like Galio as well. Galio been my main man since he was ugly as shit. I'm just gonna go through the list. So Galio, Ornn, just because he's a craftsman like myself. I mean, it makes sense, eh? Some craftsman on craftsman action. Jax is another one. And bro, that's about it, eh? Those are the characters that I've probably played the most. But I do want to branch out and learn new characters. Yeah, top lane, and I do want to learn either mid or ADC. I'm not very good at jungle because my decision making on where to go is never good. Yeah, I've been a fan of Galio since he was ugly as shit, man. Team Diddlesticks. Yeah, bro. My decision making with jungle is never good because I just start dawdling around and, you know, go and gank and then go back and farm. Is that all I should be doing? I don't know. I feel like I'm not as impactful in if I'm jungle. They want to learn Vayne. Kate's one of my other favorite ADCs too. Kane, Vayne, and who's the lady with the sword and the gun? She seems cool. Samira? Is that who I'm thinking of? I think that's her name. Yeah, just trying to find characters that I enjoy, my bro. Did play a bit of Shyvana back in the day, but I know she's getting changed as well, so there's that too. Supports I enjoy playing, I'll be honest, bro. Brom is my favorite support, just for the way he is. I'm that guy, choose for aesthetic. That's why I picked up Pike too. Just because he does the haka. Could be, yeah, Samir, but he's dope to play too. Pike, yeah, bro, I love Pike. He's cool. Support has changed so much since I used to be on. You know, it's not your generic. You know, you can play your generic ward lord and items, but then there's Pike that just goes full damage, and he gets wards through an item. And you just go hunting, bro. I was like, wow, bro, this is cool. But the last time I actually played League was when Kai'Sa got released. So I've just been trying to relearn the game again. And yeah, been jamming again, and all my old friends that I used to jam with ages ago, they sent me like gifts and everything. And what is it, those treasure boxes you get? I didn't realise that I had a lot of skins through those boxes too. I just opened them and forgot about them, I'll be honest. I do want to try APMF just to see what it's like. For you all the way from Germany. What's up, EX3PS? Yo, big crazy. 69U, 69U. Thank you very much for the 69 months, my bro. Much love, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Hope it's not too cold in Canada, my brother. Thank you very much for being here for so long as well, my bro. We're just chipping away on this hate tiki, my bro, and having a yap as usual. But genuinely, my bro, I hope you're doing good. Love you, brother. Silly number for sub count. Oh, I love it. That's the blurple gurple number. What sort of wood is that? Bro, this is like normal pine, my bro. Yeah, that's all we're jamming today. So, with the Heitiki we did before this one, this is Rata. R-A-T-A is how you spell this one. And it's actually the same timber as my mallet. Now, the only reason why it's darker is because this has linseed on it. That's pretty much the reason why. Also, chat, we are going to be doing a staining today. We're going to be putting a coat on the wheku today, because that is going to its new owner next week. Yeah, so we will stay in the whiku towards the end of the stream today. And yeah, it's going to be leaving us. It has been with me since, geez, when did we finish it? And then my mum took it. And then I got it back. And then we cleaned it up a bit. And then restained it. Yeah, so this is a Heitiki, and we're just doing another one as well. Normally they're not this size, okay? They're normally in a pendant form. So they're normally worn around the neck. Hello there, NF Jub. All good. Hope your New Year started great. LC, it was good, my bro. Nice and chill as usual. But in saying that, I hope you had a beautiful New Year's too, my brother. Pine might make the chisel details look sharp as it's brighter green. Yeah, that's true. But with this Heitiki, it's probably not going to be designed. Yeah, so we'll have to show off the cleanness. Yeah, the thing with pine that we have to keep in mind is that it is a very, very soft timber. Can rip easily, but you know, easy counter to that is sharp chisels, obviously. And if you really are struggling with real dry pieces of timber, terps is something that'll help. So that's another remedy that I found out is my time as a student. Hello man, how are you doing, brother? How are you? Will you commission work that is traditional? Would you... I've been doing traditional Maori wood carving commissions for a long time, my brother. So I'm already doing it. This is one of them. Today as well we'll redraw, and then we'll probably round these legs today too. Asked you to make like characters from a show. Oh, there, like branching out. Yeah, people have, my bro. Someone once asked me for a carving of a naked Android 18. I told them there's websites for that and to never email me again. And they haven't, which I thank them for. So yeah, there was that. I know. I was like, you dirty little bastard. That's all I could think of reading that. That was the only thought I had about that person, and it's the only thought I'll have about that person if they ever emailed me again. So yeah, there's been some requests, I can tell you that much, chat. There have been some requests. Hey, what up, Dingo? Great to point, my bro. We're just doing your carving. Is driftwood ever used? I've carved driftwood maybe twice. I might actually go and pick up a piece when we go and pick up the girls. Because their grandparents live by the sea a bit, and there's some driftwood there. Might have to have a bit of a dabble and see what it's like. I would assume it would be somewhat dry, but still, you know, holds a lot of water in the center. That's just my opinion on it, on my thoughts, I guess, as to what it would be like, for sure. How you been, Dingo? If you haven't already, guys, there is a competition going on my Instagram. Okay? Brock's on Instagram. All you have to do is go through and go to the first video, have a listen and have a watch, and I will show you what you could be in to win. Okay? Good luck. What's up, Diadem? Looking nice so far. Man, I've been alright. Can't complain, really. And you? Yeah, bro, I feel that. I'm exactly the same, bro. Just chipping along, my bro. Just trying to get yeah, all of this sorted. I'm just wondering if I should go down some more. Because there's still a lot of timber there has to come out. But yeah, to answer the bro's question again, there have been some questions like that before, my brother. Getting off work, then gotta rush home. Take your time going home, please. Unless you need to take a category 5 shit, then I understand. Trust me, I've had those moments where you know you don't want to use the work toilet because you don't really vibe with using work toilets or public toilets. So you'd rather go home and just absolutely demolish your own toilet. I understand that. Because I still do that today. I was once at a birthday, which was an hour drive, and yes, I did drive home. I did drive home. But I made it, okay? Long story short, I made it. Then I drove home. Then I drove back. Having to repipe an entire bathroom. Damn, so you were on slow cook for the whole day, my bro. It's a dark vein. How you, my bro? My missus is like that. Can't use public toilets. Full send it. So, yeah, I just can't, eh? I just see a public toilet and I go, there's probably some little bastard called Nigel that's, you know, pissed all over the seat. If you need a number 2. Fuck that. Take me home. Take me home, my bro. Take me home. Doing good. How are you? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. I just can't wait to go and train today. pretty excited to go and get some training in today. Gonna get the blood pumping. Since it's hot, I don't want to be inside a gym, so I'm gonna go to the redwoods. Go run under some trees, my bro, and then probably hit the lake with my wife and the baby. It's gonna be the vibes today. Lake day. They might come back for a stream tonight as well. Fine, dude. Like, what happened, bud? Bro, you're like, how do you hit that, eh? Cold here, so I'm under 2 blankets. Where are you right now, Vane? Like, what country? You're chopping concrete to lay the like 5. Fuck that. Hey, what's up, Kasufa? Morning. We were just talking about League too. How are you today, man? Just waking up, or are you just chilling? Arizona, oh yeah, the home of that peach tea, eh? Arizona peach tea. That's one thing I found out in America, eh? They vibe with their peach teas, man. I just woke up, sure. Long chip satisfying. Trying to get along on there. Yeah, with pine it's a bit you can't really get a bit of a swirly going on. So I'm just trying to get an angle going on right now, because we're still not anywhere near our sideline, like the guidelines that we have on the side here. But the whole whānau coming over today, big fuck, that sounds on. Yum. Yeah, we really haven't had much barbecues this year, I'll say that much. We were supposed to get a barbecue this year for our house too, but we're not sure if we should or not. Because we're saving for a house right now. And my wife goes back to work in a couple weeks too. So we're gonna be trying to save as much as we can, man. Smacking. Well, he said the issue with people not liking coffee, so they got creative in tea flavors to make it more popular. Peach and lemon tea with the end result. True. That's always the thing when, like when I went to BlizzCon. So we went out for dinner with Panda, Towley, and a few other mates. I was crazy. I was like, fuck, you know, I'm a big fan of Towley, and now I'm actually having dinner with them. I used to watch Towley all the time. And then he goes, no, just come to dinner, man. So good. Nice dude, bro. Even him and his wife. Such a nice person. And then I met another bro, Big Terry. Wow, he's funny, man. Big Terry, I miss that guy, man. He's funny, man, and he's good vibes all around. Big Terry is like if LeBron James did powerlifting and went to the military. Yeah, he is a cool dude, bro. He's crack up. He's good vibes, bro. Because Panda got him some alcohol and he bought Hennessy and he's like, you motherfucker. Someone big unless they're exceptionally nice and it, yeah, oh, he's a good dude, man. But yeah, look, sounds like he's been in the military for a long time. But all in all, man, real cool person. Yeah, him and a few others are the people I genuinely miss since going to BlizzCon. And my boy Jellybean, haven't seen Jellybean in a long time. Well, I haven't seen him go live. I hope he's all good. I think he was studying or DJing, one of the two. My Breathe Ease package that Jay's sponsored with just getting Breathe Ease. Oh, the nose thingies. Let me know how they are. I wouldn't mind trying to get some, eh? I call him Plain. My name's Jay. I was like, no, your name's Plain. Should have probably used the bigger chisel. Cover more ground. And we'll see how this one looks, guys. And they're all beautiful. Yeah, I love watching the bro streams, man. I genuinely really want him to get partner this year. I hope he gets it. Like compared to other league streamers that I watched, like I think I haven't come across ones that are as energetic as him, other than T1. Like I've seen other streamers and they like bro's high energy, bro, is real cool. Hey, I'm new here. What are you building? Are you? Welcome through to the stream, my friend. We are carving something called a heitiki. Alright? Normally, they are not of this size. They are normally within a pendant size, okay? Well, I follow you. Oh, really? So since 2020? Jay, brother. I'll show you a finished product as well, so you can kind of see what we're doing and where we're trying to go. Okay. So this is one that we have finished. That is a heitiki there. Now this is the same. You know, it's not normally this size. It's normally in a pendant form as well. But I did this one just for a bit of revision for myself, okay? I haven't done one since between the years of 2015 and 2018 as a student. So this was me having a bit of a revision for myself to see if I could still do one. And this is what we came up with. So you can see there are two sides that are not the same. You know, one side is square, one side is round. The reasoning for me doing that, I just wanted to put the two forms together to see what it looked like. And this is what we came up with right here. And so with the design as well along the top is taratara akai. It's traditionally how you would carve it, like the curvilinear style that you see. A lot of our designs are curvilinear. And so on the bottom there you can see that it's square and more contemporary. So that's not traditionally how you would do it. Like even on the face too over here. Because I dug out the middle ridge on the face on this side, as opposed to the traditional side that has a middle ridge, you know, lining through the whole thing. And with the timber too, it's made out of rata, which is the same as my mallet, this mallet here. The only difference with the color is because this one is stained with linseed oil. Yeah, so we're making a bigger one this time around. The only difference being this one is going to be hopefully double-sided. That's what with the plan anyway. That's what we're gonna do. So that's the plan with this one so far. My grandfather used to stuff this time and time, and he always walked. I always liked smaller chisels. Took longer but gave you more control. Yeah, like those real fine carvings, eh? I'd love to give me some of those too. I follow a Japanese wood carver who actually, his work is immaculate, man. It's immaculate. But they use smaller chisels too. And the faces on the carvings that he does is just as fine as a baby's face. That's how smooth it is. So that's why I genuinely enjoy watching him do his carvings on his Instagram. Hey, what's up, Razuzi? Kia ora, Brox, do you sew your carvings? I do. However, the one that I will be giving away next week, obviously, as I mentioned, is being given away. Main reason being is because one of my Instagram followers is giving me a cowboy hat for my brother-in-law's wedding in 2 weeks. And so, I brought it upon myself to give him a carving. I'll show you what I'm going to give him. I'll go and get it. I'll go and get it, eh? This is the carving we are giving him. This one here. So this is a wheku. A wheku right here. So it's, as you can see, it's a face. So essentially, yeah, for what he's doing for me, it only makes sense that I give him something just as grand as well. And yeah, I'm going to be saying goodbye to this carving finally. So yeah, the bro's gonna get this and he can take it back to Aussie. So I just taken off some dust bits. So it's been yeah, on display in my house for ages. But yeah, be happy to see it go to someone for the kindness that they're giving me. So yeah, it's only made sense in return. I give them something just as grand as well. This could go between like 5 and 7k, but you know, a better reason to give it to someone that's doing something nice for me. So yeah, this is what we are going to be saying goodbye to next week. I'm probably going to coat it one more time in linseed too, so we'll do that today. Coat it one more time and then let it dry till the bro gets here next week. So yeah, this is it here. Wheku, W-H-E-K-U, okay? Oh no, did she? Okay, back to it. But yeah, essentially, chat, that's the carving I'm gonna be giving away to the bro. Damn, thank you for the 18 months, my bro. That's bloody beautiful. Thank you, man. Brox, I'm in Australia too. Funny that. Yeah, so I'll give my phone so you can see what he. Yeah, chat, I'll show you. So, yeah, he made us a Stetson. So shout out to Stetsons in Aussie. Keep in mind that Stetsons is a very prestigious cowboy hat as well. And there it is there. So I'm gonna be wearing that at the wedding. Just gotta try and, you know, match the color palettes of my wife's dress too. But yeah, I was buzzing, man, because my grandfather used to have a Stetson. And so I was like, whoa, hold on. What is this? How would I purchase one of your... from you, my main man? PayPal, yeah, most likely I'll send you an invoice. I'll show you some of the carvings that I have. I'd probably be nice with one of them. But I'll probably put it on a base too. Hey, you're an Aussie, right? Have you got a Discord? Yeah, exclamation mark Discord should be. Also, we have some new bloody sections in our Discord. We have indie game suggestions. I want to do a big indie games day. But it could be Ranch Simulator. Ones that are fun. We also have a react section too, where if you want to send in your funny clips for me to react to. I've got a funny one for you guys actually. Bro, immaculate, right? You ready? You hit that. Bro, this makes me laugh every time, bro. So clips along those lines, if you have any, just chuck them in the Discord and I'll react to them. Perfect form. I actually wouldn't mind going now for a hit, eh? Some golf. But I'm shit, so I won't. Little too much backspin to get a double roll like that. Little too much backspin. Needs to pull back a bit more. Ah, thank you. You see what I did there? You're welcome. Every time I hear him, guys. Yeah, bro. I swear, man, my doom scrolling at early hours of the morning is just me laughing my ass off. I watched this other clip. There's this. Oh, I'll show you there. I'll show you. I'm just gonna show you. This fellow was having a moment and then he had a moment with another guy. Someone was having this shit on the other side of the bush. Yeah, do it again one more time. Fella's trying to have a scream to the world and then, oh! The other guy must have shouted a bit. Yeah. Yeah, that's all the dumb shit that I watch at early hours of the morning, guys. That's all my FYP is. That and dogs. Also, hey. Okay. I have a mission. I have a mission for those that are listening. I have a mission for you guys. If you have a significant other, this is what I want you to do. If your significant other has a best friend, this is when you do the Tinder challenge on them, okay? So I want you to sneaky record them while you're doing this. And you go, did you see that so-and-so's on Tinder? And see what their reaction is. Classic. It's a classic trick, man. It is a classic trick. And then send it to the mate. Yeah, me and my wife send dumb clips to each other every day. And I'm trying to find some more. Here's the one I sent to my wife. Ready? Me trying to shit fast because I have my kids fighting. This is the kind of shit we send to each other. She said this to me, said, this is you.
Okay, now, slowly. Let's see how long we can get it. Oh, too fast. Okay, slower. It's gonna break. Oh. Okay, now, slowly.
Yeah, so that's just the type of shit we send each other. Trying to find another one. Oh, we've sent each other way too much, man. Oh yeah, I told my wife this will be us. Oh, hold up.
Ice off.
So it says, if I die, will you remarry? No, this is me. So Nana, I'll just hold on to you. She's like, you're a fucking asshole. I was like, you should be grateful. Yeah, so essentially, chat, we send dumb shit to each other all the time. Oh, this is okay. Last one from me.
You had my sword. And you have my armor. You had my sword.
That's all. Yeah, this is just the dumb shit I send to Mark Deok. So yeah, yeah. You have my sword, and you have my Deok. So you can probably tell who the idiot in the relationship is. You're welcome. Even even would you rather's. Me and my wife jam would you rather's quite a lot. I won't say them on stream, but you can probably get the gist of it, eh? What's up, Ahmad? Okay, now it's starting to take a bit of a... How are you? Yeah, not too bad, brother. Hope you're well. Hope your New Year's was good too. Yeah, pretty chill for me, man. Slow and steady the way I like it. Do you support Palestine? You've said that before, man, and then I've seen your other accounts where you say that, and I've already stated as an indigenous person myself. Trust me, you're not the only account that's coming in, and then you say I'll do it for 10 subs, kind of. Best regards from Germany. What's up, Freezy? Yeah, I've been having a lot of people come and saying that, and you know. Same stuff has happened to my people, so I've already told everyone my stance around it. Which would be pretty obvious. How are we looking here? Okay. Still looking a bit thick over here. Wanted to meet you. Oh, on kick, cheer, bro. This will be. I could go live on TikTok right now, but we're pretty deep into the stream. I might just hold off. My views on TikTok have not been doing too well this last couple months, but Instagram, bro, holy. Instagram has been going crazy, bro. Let's see what our yeah, this video here.
All Blacks and Eddie Days. Let's see what's.
Hey.
Alright, everybody, we just got a package from the All Blacks and Eddie Days. Let's see what's inside. It looks like it's got marble.
So go through and jump on that video.
We have a lot of stickers too here.
Join in on the comp
Well,
chat.
some stickers.
Also, here's a photo of me and Ronnie Coleman back when I was younger. So yes, I took the day off work in order to go meet Mr. O himself. It was worth it. It was worth it. epic music enters the chat. What if I had a real weapon? Alright, now our angles are getting set. Liam, thank you for the raid, brother. Hope you had a good stream. Welcome on in, brother. Alright, let me get a pencil real quick. Being tired. Oh, bro, fair enough, eh? You look after your health, man. Yeah, all good, Rice. I'll try and put a Discord link in the YouTube as well. There we go. Okay, let me just go get a pencil real quick and I will be back. I'll go one. Okay. How we doing? Twitch is all good. I must say, man, there's afternoon streams on the old Twitch channel. Is where it starts booming. I'm pretty open to doing some afternoon streams, I think, since it gets a lot more engagement too. Is looking good. Hey, thank you. It's still early stages right now, but we're just getting everything kind of sorted before we initially get into it again. We just what I'm trying to do right now is just get everything kind of solidified on this side now before we move on. I'm just wondering if I do want to do another hand on this side. Let's take it out, eh? Got a bit more there, excess there. Got a shit ton on this side. Do it on this side now. Yo, Risey, thank you for the $2, man. Yeah, you could have said that without it. You know that. Are you staining the Heitiki already? No, we're still. So this one's gonna take a little bit longer because it's double-sided, eh? So there's gonna be a lot more to it that we need to do. So like even now I've got to drop all of that down. There's too much timber sitting on this side. go by an angle. Let's make our way down. So we take the salt down now to the line. There's a lot of timber sitting up here. So yeah, we're just trying to get it down to the line, okay? This is going to tuck behind this arm and then pop out on the other side. Do you carve multiple types of wood over the years, my bro? Yes, I have. Many types of my bro. Many. Is there a preferred tree species you like to carve? Specifically, one that I don't have to pay for, my brother. That is the best one to carve. And I say that as honest as I could. Yeah, bro, if I'm being fully honest, one that I don't have to pay for, brother, W. It is my favorite. Yo, Ryu, man, you don't have to do that, eh? Happy New Year's to you, bro, and the fam. Ah, thank you, brother. Thank you for the $2, my bro. Nah, Happy New Year's, bro. You could have said that without that. You know. Is that all music? Yeah, this is my beloved craftsman of the rift, my bro. I resonate with this champion probably the most out of all the champions on League. I've always wanted a craftsman champion in the game, and when he got revealed, I was very, very happy. Him and Brom are two of my favourites, my bro, and Jax as well. But in terms of like resonating with a champ, I'd say yeah, probably be Ornn, brother. And my Chinese zodiac is a ram too. Good day, sir. Good day to you there, sir. How you doing? Mine's the pig bro. The pig bro? In League. Love me some Brom. I went back to playing Dota as well. Oh, so good, man. The heart is the strongest master. Anything improves the way clear. Oh, true. Yo, what rank are you, Kisufa? What did you hit last season? Do I just keep having more matches before I get into rank? Hello there, L2T, how you doing? It's fun, how you doing? Oh, he's a boat. Holy! I think I need to play more and understand the game more before I touch that mode. Too much puku over here, so we'll take it down. I hope we get a new stance changer champion too. I see that Viego. Is Viego getting the ultimate? Looked like an ultimate skin there because it had so many forms to it. What are you making? Well, my friend, we are making something called a heitiki. I will get you one that we have prepared last year. There we go. Boom. Oh, it's an exalted skin. What the hell? So, is exalted better than an ultimate skin? Or are they the same thing? Because the only one I have is a Spirit Guard. And I got DJ Sonar through those boxes. So this is essentially what we're carving. Something similar to this, but a bit more different. But yeah, this is pretty much what I get up to here, man. On the old streamerinos, my bro. So yeah, I do traditional Maori wood carving, my bro. And I have been doing this ever since the age of 12. That's how long I've been at it for, my bro. I love my culture and I just enjoy doing this as a whole, my bro. But yeah, this is genuinely where my life has been, bro. For majority of my life. So this is a tiki here. So with this, they don't normally come in this size. They're normally smaller and they're worn as a pendant, eh? They represent fertility. How? Because, you know, this takes the shape of a baby, where the inspiration came from too. And you can kind of see that it's got two different sides as well. I mixed two of the different forms together to see what it would look like for fun. And it represents protection. We name our ancestors, tikis, after our ancestors too. Hence the reason why they are so cherished by us in another form as well. But genuinely, bro, with this one, it does not tie to anyone in particular at all. Because I will most likely sell this. So it'll be more of a decorative piece. We'll put it on the base. So I'm just changing the song. Amazing skills you have. Thank you, brother. See, so that timber was made out of rata. R-A-T-A is how you spell it, my bro. So right now we're doing another one. However, with this one it's going to be real different, because not only do we have to focus on one side, we have to put our focus into the other side too, so it's going to have two sides, brother. We could argue Ultimate has higher core than this new Viego skin. Yeah, bro, it's actually crazy. Eh? I mean, I don't play Viego, but holy shit. To the people that actually play their champion, they are eating well. I just hope Shiv's new play style is fun. Try and put more focus into Jax this time around. Get better, get more confident. Understand the game more, then I'll touch ranked. Amazing art, brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Traditional skills from our Muslim culture and Aotearoa for doing what you do, bro. Ah, kia ora, my bro. That's what it's always here for. I thought mine bugged out. Yeah. I saw it last night. I was like, ah, what a cool skin, man. He's a fun champion. I like him. Okay, so that angle is set there. We do not need to touch anything else with this angle here. Now we're going to move over to this side and angle this arm down, okay? Yeah, I usually setting them up pretty good too. But yeah, I definitely want to play, well, learn Vane. Play some more Kate. Might have to secretly practice on my other account. His stream on YouTube, Brox and gaming on YouTube this year. Will you be doing so? I have a second channel for that. I don't want to mix up gaming and the wood carving / IRL channel on my YouTube. So I've got another YouTube channel for like gaming stuff. It's going to be a lot of gaming and variety there. Called Brox Plays. You want to go and give it a follow if you want. Proc in one hit. Yeah, that's what I noticed about Jax too. His passive proc's more. I was like, oh yeah, this fella's gonna be yuck. What's the channel, Brox? It's called Brox Plays. I'm gonna start uploading there. I was planning on uploading my Avatar playthrough there, but because Avatar crashes on PC, I don't know how to fix it. Other than, you know, what I've done already. Updated the drivers, verified the files. Wait, Jax gets level 20 in the top lane? That's what the lane's choosing us for now. I see. Fuck, I'll just start going hard on Jax then. That's right, because top lane has got more rewards this season, eh? Or more of a focus. I'll have to learn another top laner just in case he gets chosen. What's up, Infinite Space Foxes? Run Ignite or run TP and it's upgraded. Oh, true. Yeah, see, this is all the stuff I haven't looked into. I got back from the morning with a studying and running. Oh, nice, nice. New link quests are really cool. Okay. I just tried to join the Discord server. Yeah, the link's cooked on bloody what is it? Oh, I'll get the link for you now, eh? 1 moment. Lioness, then saying Carnage, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Sharpen your angels, I do indeed, sir. Like my grandfather always said, if you can't sharpen your own tools, why own them? And yeah, that mentality's just carried on to me, brother. Used to always say that to me. Nice to help him sharpen his chainsaw. Bam, bam, bam. I paid someone to do it once and never again. I love the streams. Remember watching years ago. Oh, check my bro. Just got luck salt from Gamba. God is good thing. When does the Demacia Battle Pass come out? I actually like Demacia. Playing every character that does the haka, except Kisante. He's too fucking hard. He is way too hard for me, bro. Hey, what's up, Noi? Sorry. I just bought it. That's Skin Game and got. Oh, true. Is it out today? Cool. Run it today then. I might play some more League tonight. I actually enjoyed some games with the chat on League. I like the Nautilus skin. Wow, that one's clean. Mind you, I like Nautilus. So yeah, kind of checks out. Check out the Martian skin, bro. Yeah, chose the Martian skin. Is crazy good. What's up, Bilbo Baggins, my brother? What are you making? So we're carving something called a heitiki, my bro. I'll show you a finished one that we've done. So basically we're carving something that looks like this, my bro. This is one we done last year with 2 different sides to it. But yeah, with this one, my bro, the difference with the one we're carving right now, it's going to be double-sided. Yeah, it's going to be double-sided, my bro. So that's the only difference there. So that's why this one's going to take a wee bit longer, because the main thing we got to do is make sure both sides are the same. What kind of wood is it? Oh, so with this one, my bro, with this heitiki here, it's actually rata, it's a hard timber, so just the same as my mallet. Only difference being with the colour, this one was stained with linseed oil. Now I forgot to mention what a heitiki can represent. It represents fertility, as the inspiration for the shape of a heitiki actually comes from that of a baby, my bro. So that's where the representation for fertility comes for these. They're normally in a pendant form, and we wear them around our necks. They're not really this big. But with this one, obviously, this one is. This was me having a bit of fun and revision to see if I could do a heitiki again, because the last one I did was between the years of 2015 and 2018. This one here, my bro. We name our heitiki after our ancestors, back to front, sorry. So, yeah, even with the design, bro, at the top there, this is called Taratara Akai. A design that represents the sea, and a design that's also used by the coastal tribes. Same design here, but however it's more contemporary, as you can see, square. So a lot of our designs are all curvilinear, so it's a lot of curved style designs, and on the face too. That's a bit more contemporary as well. Rox, I'll be back. I'm just going to have a shower. All good, bro. Wash your ass. Very skilled, brother. Whereabouts are you from? I'm from... Oh, put the camera up, eh? Let's have a yarn. So this is Rata, my bro. What we're working on now is pine. You better go wash your ass. All good. Hey brother, so I come from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. I've pretty much lived here all my life. I started doing Whakairo or Maori wood carving at the age of 12, and now this year, I'm 35 this year, yes, 35, but I'm still a smart ass as I was back when I was younger. Thought so, moving to New Zealand at the end of 2027. Jeez, that's bloody far away, my bro. Hopefully, nice. My only warning to you, my friend, is that you use these things called indicators on your car, okay? I cannot stand people that do not signal to go right or left. God. You know the worst are the elderly, man. Jeez, they're the Grim Reapers in cars sometimes. Yeah, that's my only warning, bro. But other than that, yeah, well, hope you make it over. Gotta go to Queenstown too, my bro, and try a pie. Not a mince and cheese, a steak and cheese pie, my bro. Looking very good. Looking very good in your 50s. Yeah, so that's why I train too. You know, I'm not getting any younger. Kind of got to think about my age as well. I'm with you there, bro. Yeah. So, yeah, that's my only warning to people that are wanting to move here. Use your fucking indicators. Exactly the same. It's oh, you come from the UK, my bro. Gee, it'll be late over there right now, eh? Yeah, bro, so if you come over here at the end of the year, do not expect a summer of snow. You can expect sunburn, barbecues, probably beers as well, and a day at the beach, lake, or river. Okay? That is what a Christmas on this side of the world looks like, my bro. Sunburn, barbecue, and beers. If you drink, obviously. I'm still waiting to get my first white hair too, so I can start playing Witcher music. And if I get a dog when I get my first white hair, I'll call it Roach. Christmas over there sounds perfect. Yeah, bro, it sounds like we're in summer right now, so there's a lot of unstucking of the sack sometimes, you know, dip to the side a little bit. Fuck summer shibai. Yeah, I'm more of a winter man myself. I prefer to carve in the winter when it's cold. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much what you can expect here. Not sure what the country's gonna look like next year. Could be good, could be shit. I don't know. Yeah. At the moment, you're doing good by not coming over because it's currently shit. We have a prime minister that says he does a full week's shopping for $60, and we're in the midst of a housing crisis and everything's expensive, and he still hasn't told us where their fucking supermarket is. Bastard. Along with the rest of the bullshit that he's doing too. Winter's peak conditions. Yeah, I love winter, man. Winter's always going to be my season. Who does a full week's worth of shopping? Dead Delulu, apparently. Especially when block of butter is like $16, my bro. God damn, I don't eat butter, I'll be honest. Don't eat it. Why? Never liked it. The only acceptable time I'll eat a butter is in the fried bread. It's drowned in jam. The UK is the same. Yeah, bro, it's a bit shit over here at the moment, but hey, at least the lake ain't as shit as the people running the country. Yeah, well, what's some other stuff you can look forward to here? Oh, I mean, every country has gangs. Probably more sheep than usual. Yeah, more sheep than usual. What else? There's nothing within the animal kingdom that's trying to kill you here, other than, I don't know, someone that's out for revenge, I guess. What else? Yeah, I can't really think of anything else. I mean, I stay in Rotorua, so if you ever are very fond of the smell of rotten eggs, then I think you'll fit in here in terms of your nose. NZ is amazing. Yeah, oh, it's pretty good, eh? Pretty good. We got mountains, we got rivers, we got all sorts. I mean, we're Middle Earth. And, you know, we got Korg, we got Largo, the Bard Frog from Dota 2. We also have Tonowari, who is the chief of the Omatakaina people from Avatar. And we got Boba Fett too. And Homelander's from here too. Who else? And Shield Bro from that Homelander program. Who else have we got? We got Lurtz the Orc that got his head cut off in Lord of the Rings 1. The first Urukai Orc here. His real name's Lawrence Makawari. Yeah, I know that Urukai Orc doesn't look like a Lawrence, eh? Who else do we have here? Mad Mike, who is a drifter. Anyone else I'm missing? Rotorua has such cool stuff to do there. Yeah, if you want to bathe in mud, you can do so. I haven't either. Polynesian Spa, we have all the cultural sites here. What else do we have? Redwoods, you'll normally see me at the Redwoods every day, going for a walk. Brother, I made ginger crunch, called a Christmas crack, thing and it's delicious aside from me making it wrong. Yeah, bro, we did the same. So we melted down. So I melted down some chocolate, strawberries, marshmallows, and what else did I put in it? And just drizzled that bastard all over, bro. Oh, that's the only time I eat the Christmas cracker. It's around Christmas for obvious reasons. Oh, itchy back. Hey, what up, Tree? How you, my brother? Yeah, search it up. Just go on TikTok and you'll type in Christmas crack recipes and it'll show you. There's heaps and they're looking good. Hey, thank you, my bro. It's been busy, as you've probably seen, with training. But yeah, I feel good. Oh yeah, just had to let the bro Bilbo over on Kick know what I get up to. He's gonna move over at the end of next year. How you been, Tree? Yeah, we'll probably do this for a little bit longer, and then we'll do. What were we doing today? Oh, that's right. Yeah, Stainy Lala. We'll do a little bit of staining today. My treat. Yeah, so my brother-in-law gets married in 2 weeks. This will be mine and my wife's first wedding. No, second. As a married couple. Trying to stay healthy and creative. Yeah, bro, I feel that, man. Bro, I love the road piece you did, bro. Love seeing your mahi pop up. I gotta try and catch one of your streams there. These time schedules be timing sometimes. Love the tank top, bro. It's the only one I got, so I had to wear it. Might have to do a bit of a Kmart order and get some singlets. I need to get new clothes, but I just can't be bothered. I just keep wearing my big stuff. It's the only problem with losing weight. You gotta start buying new clothes, and I hate clothes shopping now. I always have. Much love, Germany. Really appreciate you. Hey, cheer my brother. I need to get my iPad fixed so I can get back into digital art again. Man, I remember when Vi got released, instant fan. Big ass punching gloves. Yeah, if I go live tonight, chat, I'll either have some more games with the chat tonight so I can keep learning the new season, or I'll play well, because I gotta get ready to start tanking for TBC. Gotta get back into some more 2x KO as well. I love how welcoming everyone is here. I'm just here vibing and laying in bed, and I can be the pure heart of kindness begin. Wish I could just lie in bed. I can't do that. I'm greeted by a fat slap in the face by a 9-month-old. Or she's chewing on my earlobe and it's not fun. She's got 6 teeth. So, Badmiral, how are you, my brother? Hope you're having a good day as well, man. Or it's like a drool smear across my face. Absolutely yuck. But I wouldn't change it for the world. Okay. So we'll have to keep an eye on the body too. So I want to show you all the things we have to keep an eye on, okay? Because it's going to be double-sided. You can see the body there. So I'm just trying to set everything up, as you can see. It doesn't need to be clean, okay? Doesn't need to be clean right now, but it needs to be set. So with this one, the arm will be resting on the leg here. This arm is tucking behind this leg, and then it will be set on the stomach over here, okay? And I'm thinking whether I want to do the same with this arm, tuck it behind this leg so it has more of an emphasis on the other side. I remember my nephew when I visited and he was 3 months, I think maybe 4 from grabbing, and then the most recently he chewed on my head with his teeth. That's the worst, man. Yeah, she's just discovering biting. Oh, that's not fun. So that's what we've been up to, okay? Those are the things that we've been keeping an eye on, as you can see. So once again, it's the other one here. Sorry, let me turn this down. So yeah, that's the one ticky that we've done, okay? Sorry about the choppiness of the stream today. So that's him there. Alright, let's put these to the side. I did promise a bit of staining today. So what we're doing is adding another coat to this because we are saying goodbye to this carving next week. It's been with me for a while, but I will be giving this away as a gift to someone who has done something nice for myself. yeah, I've had this guy for a while. Just waiting for the right moment to give it to someone. So I could have sold this like between 5 and 7k if I wanted to, but genuinely I didn't want to. I don't know, it's had a feeling like I shouldn't. And it's my brother-in-law's wedding coming up, and I asked on Instagram, does anyone know who can make cowboy hats in the country? Or know of anyone? And I got a message from someone that said, you know, I can make one for you. You know, I have friends that can make one. And they said a Stetson. And so, you know, I was surprised by that, because my grandfather had a Stetson. And they said we'll do it for free, and I was not having that. So, in return, I'm gonna give them this. And they're coming into the country next week. But yeah, I'm gonna say give this to him. So just getting rid of all the dust. So as a treat, we're gonna stain this today. Well, we're putting on another coat. Getting rid of like any dust or cobwebs that I can see. 'Cause this guy's been in the lounge. So yeah, this is gonna go to Australia. Los frijoles. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. My very city, considering I'm from a radio city, yeah, that's true. That'll do it. I'd love to go and watch a radio there though. That'll be cool. So yeah, we're gonna stain this today too. Yous are not gonna watch it dry, but we're gonna stain it. I will not even get there for free. Oh, it's all good, Jones. It's not for you. Neither is this channel. Look at you trying to rage bait. Your whole day making something that could be made by a 3 bro. At least my work will last for 100 years and your bloodline won't. Stay mad, big boy. Stay mad. You can't troll me, bro. I'm cheekier than you. Traveling with the big Tiki Mus, yeah, so I'll have a talk with them. If they're having second thoughts about taking it, just I'll tell them to give me his address. You say this could sell for, yeah, between 5 and 7. Can't troll the, yeah, you know, you can't troll a smart ass, that's the thing. Someone thought he was funny on Kick. Piss poor attempt, to be honest. You know they're mad when they try and say a 3rd grader could make this. It's like, okay, who hurt you? Did mum take your Xbox? I don't know why people even bother to do that stuff online, man. It's probably a grown ass adult too. least the third grader's not as much of an asshole as him. Lazy man, thank you, BRB Key. Yeah, third grade would be better against someone called Jones L on kick. Jones L, everyone. If you get that guy on your channel, be careful. Well, I might try and put his bad day on you, but not do very good at it. Yo! BRB Key, thank you very much. And you gifted Jones L a sub. I see what you did there. Who is Jones L anyway? I don't know, I was just talking shit about my work. But I'll be honest, no one genuinely cares about better people. He'd buy a 12-pack of beers without second thought, I bet. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know why just people go online to try and talk shit, eh? Because I'm the type of person that does not care. I'm 34. Oh shit, I almost said I'm 35. Oh my gosh. I've got 9 months till then. Holy shit. I'm losing it. Slap a nice fresh coat on. Just a light one. Yeah, I'm September baby. So I was probably conceived in New Year's. Or just before. September baby, 23rd. It's weird though, because it goes from my birthday bounces between Libra and Virgo all the time. I don't know why. September baby. Thank you very much, BRB Key, for the gifted over on Kick as well, man. Thank you. Here we go. So I'm not laying it on too much, just a nice thin one. Because it, you know, we did 2 coats of it a long time ago. So I don't want to do it too much. Did you say you had a Discord? Yes! Exclamation mark Discord. If it's not that one, exclamation mark socials. I've got to overhaul all my commands, man. So you got to make sure just we get into these nook and crannies here. just had a sudden urge that I wanted to watch your Twitch. Sure enough, you're live. Hello, sir. Hope you're doing well. The urgiest of urges. I appreciate you. So we're just staining this piece up, just a light one today, because me and this carving will be going our separate ways next week. But I've held on to this one for quite a while. And it's cool that this guy's going. Be saying goodbye to an old friend, kind of. I mean, that's how I feel all the time when I, you know, let a carving go, or, you know, in terms of like giving it away or selling it. That's genuinely how it feels majority of the time. Saying bye to an old friend. The heat wave was pumping up. Oh, yuck. So can anyone own a tiki? Like, is it specific culture? I mean, it comes from ours, but genuinely, you know. You? For me, I think it's as long as you know what it represents. And you pretty much do. I mean, you heard me say it. I think you should be good. It's me, bro, getting late. All good, bungalow. Rest well, king. Thank you very much for joining our stream today. I will see you next time, okay? Hey, Brox, great job. Thank you, Skip. Almost done, guys, and then I'll let this guy to dry out naturally, not in the sun. I mean, there's wind here, so it's a sign of a good dry. It's a good sign that it's going to dry out really, really good. Yeah, my only job is to make sure that it gets into all these pakati, all these notches that you see. What is the name of the vine? Oh, it's just linseed, bro. It's raw linseed. Majority of the time, bro, I like using stains that don't take away too much from the grain. Like, I like to see just like the natural grain. Like over here and all that kind of stuff. I I might paint a carving this year though. That's something I haven't done on stream. Alrighty, old boy. That is gonna be you. Yeah, Squagarino, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. 40 degrees here today in Melbourne. So if you want dry super quick, have it in a place. Varnish for centuries. Okay. Yeah, I should start doing that too, eh? I kind of just leave it for the individual if they want to do that. But yeah, I'll take this carving to the bro if he wants me to send it over so it'll be safer. I don't mind doing that. It's only going to Aussie, so it shouldn't cost that much. There he is. And there's shiny goodness. Let me just go wash my brush. There it is. One moment. Alright. Cowboy. I'm back, Brooks. Welcome back, good sir. Welcome back. We just finished staining. Just finished staining, my bro. Let me take a photo, eh? I'll actually take a nice photo of it after stream. Didn't think about that. But yeah, genuinely, chat. That's it, pretty much. All set and ready. All I have to do is just let it dry. Let it dry out nicely, and then should be good from there. But yeah, ready to say goodbye to this. Will I be live tonight? Most likely, if I'm allowed. Cough, cough, my wife. I'm gonna try and be so I can play some more League. But genuinely, chat, we have nothing else to do for the day. I am going to get my ass moving. Gonna go do a bit of training with my wife. And then probably go to the lake, I'll be honest. Yeah. Look at me, cause yeah, I've had this fella for a while, but I'm gonna be giving it away next week. So yeah, just thought I'd do one more coat before I say goodbye to it. One more coat before I say goodbye to this carving, and then yeah, that's another one gone. I don't mind. Alright, YouTube, thank you very much for joining in. I'll probably finish off with you guys first. I do apologize. But yeah, genuinely, that's pretty much stream for today for you guys. So have a good one, YouTube, and I will see you tonight. Oh no, not tonight. Probably Monday. Monday, yeah.